Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, today this session I'll be going to cover very important Java 16 feature that is called a pattern matching. Okay, and basically it brings some update on JDK or Java 17 here, and apart from that it got some stability on JDK 21. Okay, so that feature called a pattern matching. Correct. Now let's start what exactly the pattern matching and all things. Without pattern matching, what things will be there. So basically the pattern matching is the concept where we will get some ability while checking a particular variable type. Okay, so we have the instance of variable, instance of keyword. So by using that, we are checking the type. Like for example, I have one if case, okay, and I want to check. So I'll declare one case here. Int. I just go and I'll declare one variable num is equal to 10. Okay, so this is the thing, and I want to check this num is type of integer or double. So I'll just go like this, something like this. I'll just go and I'll just check it integer. So basically, so this way it will work and it will check what type of value that particular targeted variable contains. Okay, so this is the way, and with this concept now, this pattern matching gives some ability. So I'll be going to show you what exactly it is. Okay, now let's think about, so see how and why a new feature came, because they found some dependency in the existing versions, existing system. Okay, and that's why they are going to, so they are thinking, yeah, the this is the better way, so we can enhance this way. Okay, and they are going, and then they are able to introduce a new feature there. Okay, so this is how the new feature came in the market. Okay, now let's talk about without this pattern matching, how systems are working. Okay, now I'll be going to write one method where I'll show you, like, without pattern matching how exactly things are happening. Like, let's see, let's write one method named as a okay, so let's write one method which we'll use to print the values. Okay, print val. Okay, so this method I have wrote. Now let's add one parameter for this method, okay, which is like a generic one. So let's keep the generic because we are passing. So object is the root class of all other classes in build or user defined. Okay, so that's why just keep uh, this argument type is object. Okay, I'll just keep this variable name as object because we can pass any type of object values, and this parent type will get accepted. Okay, if I pass the integer, it will accept. If I pass the double, if I pass any other object, so it will, because like in the polymorphism case, so the like parent reference can hold the child object, something kind of thing. So this is called as some polymorphism concept or runtime polymorphism we are going to use here. Okay, now here, so I want to check whether this object contained integer type of value. If it is contained an integer type of value, then just extract that value from it and print it. Okay, so how you can check it? So you can use the instance of variable to check it. Okay, object instance of integer. So this, if this obj type reference variable holds the integer type of value, you guys can just convert that value. Okay, convert that value, this type into an integer and print it. Now how we can do that? So just do it like this: integer number is equal to, just cast it to the integer and just give the variable, format it, and let's print it without doing anything. And I'll be going to write one more case for double as well. So because double is a child of the object. Okay, so this object can be able to hold the double object. So there is no doubt. Now let me check another case whether this obj reference variable contains the double. Okay, contains a double type of value. Then just go and print that. No, before printing now we have to just cast it. Okay, convert this object into a double obj, and let's introduce one more variable saying the number. So let's go and print it. Okay, so without waiting anything. Now let's go and write the, okay, we already have the main method guys, and then just go and call this method saying that 10 value. Now what will be the result? So the result is very simple. So no need to think much here. Okay, this is not a rocket science program. Okay, this is just a basic concept. What we did, we just added one argument, that is type of object, and we know the object class is a parent of all other classes. Okay, so it can hold any type of value. So if you guys know the polymorphism well, so then you will get it, you will get this concept. If I pass the integer 10, then it will be able to accept because it is the parent, and as you know, like parent can hold the any child type of object. Okay, so that's all. So and again, another more checks we have added here. So what those checks are there, like if this obj holds integer type of value, that means so this predicate, so this boolean condition will be validated, like so this obj holds the integer type of value, go and cast it. Okay, and then print it, go and cast it and then print it. So this is the process. Now this is an existing process, so without pattern matching this will work. So basically we now with the latest version, so this will work, there is no issue. But how we can concise, okay, how we can write this code with some conciseness, with some readability, okay, without adding some extra statements. So how we can achieve this code? So that time these people think, so thought like they got some thoughts. So we can reduce this. Unnecessarily we are doing this casting, unnecessarily we are doing the casting, we are checking here. So these things, they say, yeah, why we are doing this double things here. So let's add this both operation in a single statement. Now unnecessarily why to write the casting statement? So what they introduce, I'll tell you. So now what this statement does, this statement is a boolean statement. You guys all know about this statement, correct? So what this does, this will check whether this obj contains the integer type of value, correct? Okay, now what they are thinking, so once it is identified this obj contains the integer type of value, then cast that. Okay, then convert this value to that particular type, convert this value to that particular type. See, I converted that value to the value. So I need to, so I can just remove this. I'll just comment it. Okay, no need to use this statement here. Again here as well, I can do same thing. I'll just comment it. So see how this concise and readable code will be there. Okay, if you guys can observe very carefully here now, what things I commented, and before commenting what things are there. Now this statements having the two actions. What is the first action? So this boolean action. Okay, so what this boolean action will do, it will check this obj contains the integer type of value. Okay, yes, it is contains the integer type of value. Find the first check got succeed. Okay, now the second thing what they'll do, they'll assign this obj type of value, or that means this integer type of value to this number. Okay, so now this local variable get introduced here, and we are going to print this here. That's all, guys. So this is called a pattern matching. Now let's talk about the what kind of enhancements came as a part of this pattern matching feature. So previously we are using this pattern matching things with the instance of. Now they merge this pattern matching with the switch case as well. So let me comment these things. Okay, let me comment this. I'll just write the same code with the switch case. Now let's write the switch case syntax here. Like I'll be going to pass the object. Okay, and as you know, like so we have the okay. Let me just mouse over here and add the default case. Now let's do one thing here. So what we did here, we are just using the instance of variables and we are checking, we are validating, and we are assigning the proper value to particular that variable, the local variable. So let's go and do one thing here, case. Okay, so I'll just go and do case integer number. Okay, let's go and print this number. Correct, yes, that's all. So this is the way. This is another way, guys. So no need to struggle, everything is there. No need to struggle, everything is there. So we just need to focus on this concept, what exactly this concept does. Okay, here we use the instance of. So there is a tightly dependency with the instance of. So without instance of, we no need to. So we are not able to use this pattern matching here. But now they merge this pattern matching feature with the switch case as well. Okay, so what they are doing? So we have wrote these cases. So nothing but if test statements. You can just consider these are the if statements. Okay. Now what this switch will do? Switch will come to this label and check whether this object holds the integer type of value. So this is a boolean checking they do first. Okay, yeah, contain. So this object contains the integer type of value. Fine. So this contains the integer type of value. Now just convert this obj to the integer and assign this to the this number type of variable. Sorry, number reference. Same things happened with the double as well. Fine, that's all. So this is a way we are changing our approach and we are implementing this pattern matching feature here. And yeah, like we saw two ways. First one is this if case with the instance of, and then we have saw the switch cases. So basically this feature came as a part of JDK 16. Apart from that, there are some preview versions released in so preview feature, some enhancement released in JDK 17, and after that it got some stability in JDK 21. Okay, so that's all about this pattern matching, guys. So go and watch this video carefully. I did not cover any theory things here, so everything is practical. So and I always cover the practical things. Yeah, that's all, guys. So thank you for watching this session. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Bye.